Because these people, if they not talk to them, they not go hear word. That's what they do it. That's what they do this thing every time. Every time, because they're not supposed to talk to them. Every time, because they don't see who talk to them. Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening. Yeye boy. Yeye boy, you there? Kumba. Kumba, the Yeye boy, you there? Sian. My message to those people wey be say una carry this Esan Bini and Isha matter. Bini and Isha matter. He don't say wey they don't feel correct about this thing for Facebook. Now TikTok. TikTok who for the enjoy play. TikTok wey for the enjoy play. They don't carry Isha matter and Bini matter enter TikTok again. I beg Mona leave TikTok for me. Yeah. Mona leave TikTok for me. Mona not going to use una Isha matter and Bini matter to scatter TikTok. I been na Bini be Russia, Isha na Ukraine. It be like say Bini na Russia, Isha na Ukraine. This Isha and Bini matter, they don't fit use and do saga for this Facebook. I will still remember. I'm coming. I can still remember. Say this Isha and Bini matter, they don't fit use and do saga for TikTok. They don't use them for saga for TikTok. So now, if for Facebook, I mean, yeah. Now, they carry the same Bini and Isha matter, they come TikTok. No one can spoil TikTok. Una one can spoil TikTok. TikTok na for fun. I see many of my videos. People they comment, but they cost me. But I don't care. I'm just there for fun. Now, the same Isha and Bini matter that they carry upon TikTok. Una one can spoil that TikTok. Waiting. Since una start to do saga of Bini and Isha matter, wait till una don't gain. We be say public dey grant. We be say people they talk about as they want to make money. Me, I dey talk as I want to collect my own money. Una to carry on our own public they call TikTok. I Bini na Russia. Okay, be like say Bini na be Russia. Isha na Ukraine. It be like say na Bini be Russia. Isha na Ukraine. I see no reason why. Matter dey ground heavily. COVID-19 of it come one time, e no finish. We don't know whether na Illuminati everybody can even be safe for this world. We just say me no know. They use a trade politics. Russia wahala come out. Una Buhari, Nigeria Buhari, they say he go support them. Support them in which way? Support them in which way? With your soldier, where you know say we be Boko Haram, where they never settle the one with the Niger finish. Now you get help you want to go give them. Now, Alpha Paddy, I do. Bella is Miss. Congratulations for your 5 years document, my dear. Congratulations to you, my darling. Bella is Miss. She is here. They just gave her 5 years document. Congratulations, my darling. You understand? TikTok. They carry Isha matter. Why your face like they carry Isha and Bini matter now. Come TikTok again. TikTok now want you to quarrel. TikTok don't turn quarrel. Now because of one small boy we fit do video. I don't know what this TikTok is. If I say me, I don't know what some people they do for TikTok. I don't know. But no go use no spoil TikTok for us. I beg. But no go use no spoil TikTok. No go use no spoil am. People dey there, they know the reason why they did that TikTok. But no go use no spoil am. Yeye people, yeye this man. One boy, one small rat. Now first starts this quarrel that day. You go post video, you go post this thing right up what you see for Google. Say Benin people are shewo. You know what it be, you know what it that word me. You know the fear face. You know the fear face. When I don't call you to now spoil TikTok, I see they talk around. Isha and Benin matter on a kind of TikTok. Now, because they do quarrel now for TikTok, may rain. May rain. Wait, they sell this white self, bros. Bros, no worry, everywhere go. Please. I want to address the issue for here before our car enter TikTok. After this video, now me they go TikTok, go talk them. Not be only here, I want talk them. Not be only here, I want talk them. After this video, I'll go TikTok, go talk them. I not dey fear anybody. May you not feel say maybe I dey fear people wey dey TikTok. Now make me not go talk for TikTok. I not see anybody for TikTok one one fear. Including you wey dey even drop the comments. I not fear you don't talk about people wey dey TikTok. Ever since how many days now, I have not been coming up on social on videos like that because I'm working. I'm working. By the special grace of God, this 2022, I know my targets. This 2022, I know my targets. (2022), I have my targets. Yes, na me cook the rice. So I prepared fried rice since. Na me cook the rice. One use their own content for TikTok. Now everything that they can't enter a TikTok or social platform. For Facebook, they don't do this fight. Official and Benin before. I don't see what they begin inside. They can't enter TikTok. Should I come over? My dear, come and eat. Make una not carry, make una not say don't go to there with this your horror face. Now so una see they carry this una mumu comments they come the TikTok. Now una display everywhere, so now una be the bad people. Idiots. Now your mother, now they pity you. Your mother. People like you. What's his name? Mighty Joe. Your mother. I might even report this your comments now, or I report your account. You understand? It is your mother, not mine. See me see wahala. My friend, stop cream. I carry your now your cream, my cream. See my color. That one was a filter. That one was a filter. This is my color. See me see wahala. See me see wahala. They carry their this thing. They carry their Yeye come. Now TikTok una wa carry Shamata and Bini Mata come. I fear una. I fear una. They use supermarket cream, normal cream. Okay. Zuki Bello, good evening. How are you doing? How is London today? Your manners is nonsense today. Now their mama, if you like, my mouth. I do here today. I'm earning my salary. You understand? I'm here earning my salary. Leave them to it, Eunice. Eunice, leave them. They are just like that. Leave them, Eunice. They are just like that. That is the same reason why. Go to TikTok now. They have used their idiots, their waywardness. They have used their backwardness, their low-life thinkingness, their lifelessness, their low life. They think less. They use their own Yeye Matana carry on TikTok. One can use Isha and Bini Mata the quarter now for TikTok. What is this? They don't fail to pass for Facebook. They don't invade them now, they go there. When Russia is trying to invade many things that is going to that war will the war will last, they're not going to talk about it. It be like saying na Benin, Edo na be Russia. It be like saying that Edo be Russia. Now, it shall come be Ukraine. You are so amazing. It shall come be Ukraine. Ukraine, Russia versus Ukraine, Edo versus Benin for TikTok. These people. I don't say chance. See, the time I take on for work today, now I start to the cook. You never to tell where I cook finish. I make fried rice. Don't they go 2 weeks when this fried rice they hungry me. I don't say chance cooker. Not say today, no pass today. Miss it here. And it's very plenty. It's very plenty that I prepared and it's very yummy. Mm. Mm. Do you understand me? I'll stop smoking cigarettes. We be the same. Thank you, Timaya of Lagos. How far? You understand? We be the same. We will start with just machine gun. Who don't come back from Nigeria? Hey, my dear, you are fried rice sweet. My fried rice is sweet. The fried rice sweet. Now me prepare it by myself. I prepared it myself. It's very sweet. I feed the neck you I feed the neck tata. See me see wahala. I feed the neck you tata. If Oluwa, if Oluwa, I beg go. Choose Ike, my handsome brother. Choose Ike, how you doing? Good evening. Chachi, grazie, bon appetito, grazie, merci. Merci beaucoup. C'est mieux, Gidi. Today, I go fear name. Today, I go fear comment, when I go comment. Today, I go fear. Timaya, see me see wahala. I never hear it. I beg. Mona, help me share this video. Mona, share and go give them. Make they carry Ishan and Bini matter come out for TikTok. Now I can't beg una for. Because many of them are through Facebook where they carry fake accounts. They will carry fake accounts for Facebook. They share they go. They still carry fake accounts enter TikTok. Right now, na fight. Edo and Esa. Una still carry the fight and go TikTok. Una want go use and scatter TikTok. Which one are they gain? Which one are they get? TikTok is for fun. TikTok is for fun. You need to rest after food. TikTok is for fun. Don't bring your matter to that TikTok. People are in TikTok because they want to enjoy and they want to laugh. They want to smile. They want to see things that they have never seen before. They want to see the way people act, perform. They want to see the way people perform. The way people create content. Like me, I'm a good content creator. I'm a creator. I'm a good content creator. I must say that. A good content creator, a good one at that, for that matter. Nah, they want carry their fight. Come TikTok. Carry Bini Mata, Esa, Bini Esa. The other one, they curse the other one. Say, you idiot, you bere, who boons you. If I see your face, give you slap. No one carry that matter on TikTok. TikTok say they welcome that kind of thing. One can spoil TikTok for me. Me, I don't do it. Now, I don't be TikTok celebrity. I'm a star. I'm not a TikTok celebrity. It is now you know that you want to bring your problem into TikTok. It's now you know you want to bring your problem into TikTok. I'm not a star. I'm a celebrity on TikTok now. So, guys, you see now you know that you want to bring your problem to TikTok. Okay, fine. Let's go to the TikTok. Let me go and drop message for them on TikTok. Meet me on TikTok. Thank you. Don't forget, go and follow my YouTube channel, King Emmanuel Jackson TV. My YouTube channel is King Emmanuel Jackson TV. My Instagram is King Emmanuel Jackson. Yeah, TikTok, Emmanuel Baba Timaya. I have 2 TikTok. The other one is Emmanuel Obedi Italy.